Donne-nous le volume.
Montreal. I want to say thank you for all your prayers for me. If you ever doubt God, you
Certains ne la reconnaissent pas.
can say that prayer
La sœur Sigo,
because
elle
God
a été frappée avec
the doctor
deux
told her
AVC massifs. Les médecins ont dit qu'elle n'allait jamais marcher, qu'elle n'allait jamais parler, mais elle connaît le même Dieu que nous connaissons.
the doctors on October the 11th, that stroke made a change in my life. I have to say it was a change for the better. God has brought me here to this wonderful place that I am now. And I got a makeover for free. When the doctors said that I may not walk again or I may not get the use of my left arm or my right arm again, I knew that God was in control and He had this. So I was not worried. He has had things in control all the time. The finger of God was working from the very beginning. He brought me here. He raised me up. And the doctor said maybe 4 to 6 months in a rehab. And maybe you will walk and maybe you won't. Maybe you will get some use back. And so there I was in a wheelchair, could not take care of myself. But God had some other plans for me. And on November the 11th, I walked out of the rehab center on my own 2 feet. I went home lifting both hands and praising God and saying, God. God and for good friends and good saints of God that are faithful to pray for those that are in need. And He answers and He hears. I cannot say it was easy because I had to work hard and I had to remap my brain and I had to face doubt and I had to face fears. But the Bible came to me in those times, in those darkness of night, and He taught me that when the enemy comes in like a flood, that God, the Lord Himself will raise up a standard. He's not going to send somebody else, but He Himself will raise up a standard and say, I am right over here, my child. I have come to rescue you. I have come to save you. And you can just trust in Him and know that He's going to deliver you when you put your faith in Him. And I'm glad I serve a God that heals and saves and that is faithful to us. And if you ever doubt that God does not answer prayer, you just remember the prayer you pray for me. And look at me and you will know what God can do. That helped me up when I was down. And God has made my weakness. And now my weakness is my greatest strength.
Alléluia. Et dis ceci, si tu doutes que la prière fonctionne, souviens-toi de la prière que tu as priée pour moi. Et souviens-toi de moi parce que la prière fonctionne. Elle n'avait pas de chance de marcher, pas de chance d'utiliser aucun de ses bras. Mais aujourd'hui, elle utilise ses 2 bras. Et elle ne pouvait pas lever ses bras. 2 AVC massifs l'ont frappé. Il n'y avait presque pas de chance de récupérer. Mais elle connaît le Dieu qui guérit. Amen. Et Et il a fait cette vidéo pour vous, les saints de Montréal, qui ont prié pour elle et qui est des amis précieux que nous avons. Amen. Nous servons un Dieu puissant. Et s'il peut le faire pour tous ces gens, il peut le faire pour toi aussi aujourd'hui. Amen. Parce que Dieu ne fait point exception de personne. Alléluia. On va essayer de faire nos annonces. On va essayer de se calmer un peu, de faire nos annonces. Parce que je ne sais pas beaucoup, mais moi je me sens que Dieu peut faire n'importe quoi, même pendant les annonces.